Hey guys, I'm HP. This is Talk to Pink, and today's topic is a Rode rock guitar riff. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button. Also got a cool HPCrazy t-shirt. I'm wearing one today by accident. It was on the top of the file. So what I'm going to talk about, I show a really easy Rode rock guitar riff, which is as usual not so easy as it looks like. I show a second riff plus some really cool soloing ideas. So let's get started. This is the thingy which I'm talking about. Then comes the second guitar. This will be like this. And then some solo ideas. Yeah. The riff is simple, the soloing can be simple. I'm just gonna show a few ideas, but let's first check out the riff. Alright guys, the riff is in C minor. So, starting chord of course, C5 here. Now, the main trick to get this thing so steady and grooving as in a Rode song, you know, rock guitar song, is that you always have this anticipation chords. What does that mean? When you start, the chord doesn't start in 1 and it always starts in 4, and so 1, 2, 3, 4 and okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4. So make sure you hit the +4 correctly before you get into the more complicated thing. Well, it's not really complicated, that's the most complicated thing you have. So the thing is, you play the 8 notes, so 1 and 2 and 3. They have to be really really staccato and straight and really precise. And you're in palm muted position. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. So that's the main position. Now, to make it grooving, you make the anticipation thing on 4 and hold it till 1, and so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And when you do the anticipation, you remove the palm muting just by the hand rotation. See, doesn't really happen much here, but it's the rotation which make the big difference and has to be really precise, okay? And when you change the chord, you can go direct, or you make an additional one in between. That can be variable, but the main thing is that you have the 4 end and you change each chord on 4 end. I show you. 3, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, and there's a second part. You're coming from here, so 1 and 2 and 3. Now on 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4, and so you're on 4 and you're already on the A flat 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and then you go to B flat 5, also on the 4 end, and then to C5, but now in the high position, also on the 4 end. So 1, 2, 3. It looks simple, but it ain't so easy as it looks like. I mean, it's basic movements on the fretboard, but still it has to be really extremely precise, and then the whole thing starts to sound. I'm gonna play the whole thing now. One, two, yo. And that will be guitar number 1. Now we make a counterpoint. Now is one of the real rare occasions. I quickly need to put on the chorus where I use a chorus. It's really a rare occasion, I must say, and probably also delay to get this nice blurry sound. So. Oh, oopsie, I need the delay. Where's the delay? Here. Okay. So. We're playing a C minor 7. Here, 3rd fret, 1st fret, 3rd fret. Then a C minor 6. See how the chorus widens up the sound? In this case it's really cool. I would miss the chorus in this specific situation, but regular followers of my channel know I'm not a huge fan of chorus, but here it really works out great. And now again you make the anticipation. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and you start with you make this let ring effect, but you start on the 4 end, and that gives this additional push in the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and I'll show you with the backing track. And the rest is the same as the other guitar. But one thing, we make let ring. And there's one thing, you stop the chord on 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you stop on 4 with your hand here and go back here on 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and so you make the stopping and exactly on 4 and the next chord on 4 and then you have a really perfect groove. Yo, so that was the riff. That was quite easy. Now let's see what we can solo on this one. Of course, C minor pentatonics works here. Let me get another sound. It's really, now the chorus is really terrible. Holy moly. Now let me take this one here. I'm gonna switch off the delay now. So we have a C minor pentatonics, of course, works. But I would really recommend to use now scales. In this case, first part, this already gives you a hint which mode is used. We're not using the C Aeolian mode, we're using the C Dorian mode. And you can highlight this when it changes to F. You can make this lettering thing coming from the F here. On the F. When it goes to A flat here, then we're going back to C Aeolian. Or what will be even cooler, when you choose A flat Lydian, which will be this one here. On the B flat Mixolydian. And on the C Aeolian. Let's see how that works. I'm gonna rewind. I don't know which sound I shall take for this here. I think this one is the best here. So. A flat. So what did I do now? Let me switch off the delay. First you play long notes. When it changes to F, then you really go for this A here. Just the A, or you make the F to highlight the F chord. And then when it goes to A flat, I mean you can stay here, you don't need to go down. You play something melodic with either C Aeolian over the whole thing, or if you want to make sequence runs, which I did, I just play the scale here in palm mute in 16, and then resolve correctly on the next chord on B flat. So you need to resolve on a chord note of B flat, which will be the B flat here, or the D, or the F. And then we are back to C. Okay? I know the beginning was easy. This is not so easy, but well, we all need challenges in life. But you can make your life easy. Just skip the sequence runs and just I'll show you. A flat, just play melodic. And now we're going back to C Dorian. See, that's the way how you follow chords. You just move around melodic, and like in the end, when it came to B flat, you just play the B flat moved up to C. That's the way to follow chords. You don't need to really jump around in positions. You just play melodic out of your guts. Just see what works, and then from time to time you just go for a chord, like or on the F. You can hear I use a lot of delay in my sounds. Gives a really wide sound, but you don't need to use so much delay. So that is a thing which really works, okay? And the rest, just keep it on long notes. A lot of students make a big mistake to think you need to play a lot of notes, but basically you need to play the right notes. So better play only a few notes, but play the right notes and adapt to the chords. In this case, C minor to F, using C Dorian, and then A flat B, A C minor, using either Lydian, Mixolydian Aeolian, or C minor Aeolian over the whole thing, and just play by your guts. Okay guys, that was Road Rock Guitar Riff. Here. I wrote the tabs of the riff out for you to give you some guidance on this for the beginners among you. It's really worth checking out, even it seems simple, also for the advanced players. Really check it out and work on your precision. That's really important. The tabs plus this cool backing track for my own production, musicpictures.com, cinematic composer, is available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join them with a free member account, but in order to download to this stuff, you need a premium member account. One more to say, if you have any questions, you can ask in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. That's for free. If you need more personal support, you can contact me. If you want to have a t-shirt, link is on, you find it on my website. There's a t-shirt shop. It's really cool. I'm not saying it because I'm selling a lot, because I love it, and all my students have one. At least the ones, you know, the private, they all have one. Yo, that's all I wanted to say. Me and Dr. Pink are signing off.